Hi there, thanks for visiting Luscombe Motors for the walk around video of this Suzuki Swift Attitude, and it's just arrived into our group stock. A real amazing opportunity really. It's quite hard to believe the car has got 67 miles on the clock, this particular car, but the Swift Attitude really does stand out from the crowd. So with that front lower skirt, obviously you've got the sporty looks of the front fog lamps, smart 16-inch polished alloys, and then again you've got that carbon effect side skirts, the rear splitter, but also with that plate surround, and your upper rear boot spoiler. So a really fantastic looking car. Also coupled with that, the rear privacy glass makes it look a really sporty car indeed. So it's in the really attractive Speedy Blue Metallic paint. Let's take a look. Just show you the boot space. Very useful, really nice deep boot. You've also got the addition of that split folding rear seat as well, and obviously the parcel shelf is removable if there was any sort of larger objects needed putting in the boot. Probably as you would expect, the back seats look like they've never been sat in, which in all fairness they probably haven't, with, you know, with the mileage that is on the clock. Let's take a look inside now. Start her up. So there you see on the screen there, 67 miles. You know, that's all that's on the car. So you've got USB outlet there on the right, and then your main power socket on the left, heaters and air conditioning, and a radio CD head unit. You'll notice the Bluetooth logo, so it is Bluetooth compatible. And then you've got your volume controls, and then little features such as automatic lights, electric windows, or electric front windows should I say, and then electrically adjustable wing mirrors as well. So yeah, really great opportunity, really nice car. It is pretty much almost, it sounds crazy to say it on a 19 plate, but still a new car. Also look out for our technicians report on the Luscombe website. That will give you a look around the car from underneath and focus on items such as brakes, tyres and suspension, as well as the checks that we carry out on the battery and then engine management system. So thanks again for watching.